Hello students, today I am going to start question number 8 of exercise 11.4. Now question number 8 says Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm. Suppose this is the circular pipe. Okay, so this is the mouth of a circular pipe and Pragya wrapped around a cord around this circular pipe of radius 4 cm. Okay, and then from here she cut off the length required of the cord. Then she wrapped around a square box of side 4 cm. We will have to find how much cord is left with her. At first, Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe. Okay. Then she cut off the length. Suppose the length required to wrap around a circular pipe is this. This is the length which she has used to wrap around a circular pipe. Now she cut off the length, then she wrapped around a square box of side 4 cm. Okay. After wrapping it around a square box, we will have to find did any cord left with her. So at first we need to find the total length of the cord required to wrap around the circular pipe, which is 2 pi r. Then she used this cord to wrap around the square box. So the total length of cord required to wrap around the square box is 4 into side. This is the total length of the square. After this, to get that how much cord is left, we need to subtract this too, because this is the cord she used to wrap around the circular pipe, and again she took this cord to form this to wrap around a square box. Okay, so after wrapping it around a square box, how much cord is left with her? So at first we will find the length of the cord required in circular pipe is 2 pi r. Now pi is 3.14. So 2 multiplied by 3.14 and radius is 4 cm. Okay. Now 4 2s are 8. So 3.14 multiplied by 8. Now 8 4s are 32. 2 3 carry. 8 1s are 8. 9 10 11. 1 carry. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So 25.12 centimeter. So this is the length required to wrap around a circular pipe. Now she cut off the length required of the cord and wrapped around a square box, right? So the length of cord required in square will be 4 into side, and side of a square box is 4 cm. So 4 into 4, 16 cm will be the length of the cord required to wrap around a square box. Okay. Now we need to find that how much cord is left with her. So this was the length required to form a circle, right? And with this cord she wrapped around a square box. So how from here, if you subtract 16 cm, then you will be getting the length of cord left. Okay. So we will write length, therefore length of cord left will be 25.12 minus 16 centimeter. Okay. So 25.12 minus 16 can be written as 16.00. Now 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 0 is 1, 15 minus 6 is 9, so 1, 2 will be 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Now we'll have to put the point. So it's 9.12 centimeter. So did she have any cord left? Yes. She had 9.2 centimeter cord left. Okay. So this was question number 8. Now moving on to the question number 9. Now question number 9 says the adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. This is the rectangular lawn of length 10 meter and breadth 5 meter. And here is a circular bed in the middle of the lawn. We will have to find the area of the whole land. Now we can see from the figure that whole land is in the shape of a rectangle. So area of the whole land will be length into breadth. Since this is in the shape of a rectangle, and to find the area of a rectangle, we find the product of the sides, which is length into breadth, and length is 10 meter and breadth is 5 meter. So meter into meter is square meter. So 10 into 5 is 50 meter square is the area of the whole land. Now in the second part we have the area of the flower bed. Okay. Now flower bed is in the shape of a circle, right? So area of the flower bed will be pi r square. Now here pi we can take either 3.14 or we can take 22/7. So we are taking 3.14 and radius is given, which is 2 meter. From the figure radius is 2 meters, so it's 2 into 2. Now 2 2s are 4, so 3.14 multiplied by 4. So 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 3 4s are 12. So area of the flower bed is 12.56 meter square. Now in the third part we have the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. That means if you remove this circular bed from the lawn, then what will be the area? So if you remove it from the area of the lawn, we'll be getting the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, isn't it? So we will, for finding this, we need to subtract this to subtract the area of the lawn minus area of the circular bed. Okay. So we'll write area of the lawn excluding flower bed is area of the lawn minus area of the circular bed. So if you subtract these two, if you remove this circular bed from the area of the lawn, then we'll be getting the area of the lawn excluding flower bed, right? So area of the lawn is 50 meter square and area of the circular bed is 12.56 meter square. So we'll subtract this two. Now 50 can be written as 50.00 minus 12.56 to get the area of flower bed. Okay, so 10 minus 6 is 4, will be 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, be 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 4 minus 1 is 3. So it will be 37.44 meters square. Okay. Now in the last part we have the circumference of the flower bed. Now flower bed is in the shape of a circle. So circumference of the flower bed will be 2 pi r. Circumference of the flower bed is 2 pi r. Now 2 pi is 3.14 and radius is given, which is 2 meter. 2 meter is the radius of the flower bed, right? So 2 2s are 4, so 3.14 multiplied by 4, Now 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 3 4s are 12. Now we'll have to put the point after 2 place. So since we are finding circumference, unit will be meter. 12.56 meter will be circumference of the flower bed. Okay. So this was all about question number 9. Thank you, students.